Hello again and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another very fun, simple project because YouTube's algorithm is a mystery, and for some reason it has decided to push some beret videos that I made a year, 2 years ago about. I really like these videos. I think they're a super cute accessory and I'm so glad so many other people are enjoying them. So I thought now would be the perfect time to make some winter berets. So we're gonna have two designs, a snowflake and a wreath, and I wanted one to be more Christmassy and one to be kind of general winter themed. I have done more detailed walkthroughs in both of those two past videos, which are spring and fall. So if you want to see a little more detail that I'm going to go into today, that's where you should go check out next. If you like this video and you like berets, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe down below. Also comment if you have any other ideas for themes for berets. I can obviously do a summer one, but there's only 4 seasons and I'm very close to running out. So let me know what you want to see. But without further ado, let's get started. Both my berets are going to be patterned off of this one. I lost my original pattern, but the other ones I've made are also patterned off of this. So I'm just going to trace this onto some paper, as well as trace this inner circle. I'm just going to cut out the inner circle. I'm not going to cut out the entire brim, just to try to save some paper. So you'll see that in a second. We're going to have 2 pattern pieces, the main cap and the brim. That's the plan. So we're gonna trace those patterns and then we're gonna cut out 1 cap piece for each and then 2 brim pieces so that like this is folded over. We're gonna be able to do the same thing with that second brim piece to fold it over and finish off the nice head. So that's the plan. Here's the progress for the wreath. I used 2 different types of green felt. I just cut out a ton of leaves and arranged them however I thought looked nice, and then stitched them down with some brown thread because I thought that would give them a little more leafy look and some distinction. And yeah, the edges are left a little open so they can move around. And now we are starting to add the beads. I think adding the beads instantly greatly makes it much more wreath-like, and I think it looks so cute. So I have these, which I bought for my vampire project, but they look very berry-like, so that's how we're going to continue. Decorations are all attached, and the caps and the brims are now assembled. I just started by assembling one brim to the edge of the cap and flipped it right side out, and then attached the second brim around the edge so that once, can I do this with one hand? Once this gets flipped inwards, it's not gonna work with one hand. So once this gets flipped inwards, we're gonna have that nice finished edge there. So the snowflake was pretty simple. I just stitched around all of the edges, and this one was more complicated, which I think I talked a little bit about, but I'm really happy with how it looks with all the little berries. And last step is we're going to flip the brim in and stitch it down, and then I haven't decided if I'm going to add clips so that it can clip directly into my hair to keep it from blowing around, but I'm not sure if I'm doing that quite yet. So we're almost there. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super happy with how these came out. I especially love the wreath. I was kind of hating it for a little bit there, but it ended up super cute and I'm super happy with it. The snowflake took a few tries to get a nice enough snowflake, but I think it's really good too. And I wear a lot of blue, so I wear a lot of blue and green. I'm gonna have so many outfits. It's gonna be great. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe if you would like to see more from me. But that's it from me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye.